हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल राज कोचिंग सेंटर में। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए इंडियन रेलवे सिग्नलिंग के एसएनटी डिपार्टमेंटल एग्जाम्स के 110 क्वेश्चंस विथ आंसर्स लेकर आया हूं, जो कि आगे आने वाली सभी एलडीसी एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज ब्लॉक बैक इज एप्लीकेबल इन। ब्लॉक बैक कहाँ एप्लीकेबल होता है? तो डबल लाइन और सिंगल लाइन दोनों सेक्शन के लिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज SWR ऑफ स्पेशल क्लास स्टेशन इज अप्रूव्ड बाय। स्पेशल क्लास स्टेशन का SWR किसके द्वारा अप्रूव किया जाता है? तो कमिश्नर ऑफ रेलवे सेफ्टी CRS द्वारा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज स्टेशन लिमिट इज सिचुएटेड बिटवीन आउटर मोस्ट सिग्नल ऑफ स्टेशन। Next, question number 4 is the name of relay in signal group proves the condition of one signal, one train is one signal, one train के कंडीशन को कौन सा रिले प्रूव करता है? तो GLSR रिले। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज फार्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग बैलास्ट रेजिस्टेंस इज। बैलास्ट रेजिस्टेंस ज्ञात करने का फार्मूला RB इक्वल टू VF प्लस VR बाई 2 इंटू IF माइनस IR होता है। नेक्स्ट फार्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग रेल रेजिस्टेंस इज। रेल रेजिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करने का फार्मूला RR इक्वल टू 2 इंटू VF माइनस VR बाई IF प्लस IR होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज वैल्यू ऑफ TSR फॉर DC ट्रैक सर्किट शैल नॉट बी लेस देन 0.5 ओम। डीसी ट्रैक सर्किट के लिए टीएसआर का वैल्यू 0.5 ओम से कम नहीं होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज एज द लेंथ ऑफ ट्रैक सर्किट इंक्रीजेज वैल्यू ऑफ बैलास्ट रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीजेज बिकॉज लेंथ ऑफ ट्रैक सर्किट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द बैलास्ट रेजिस्टेंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन बैलास्ट रेजिस्टेंस एंड टीएसआर इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू ईच अदर। Next, question number 10 is normal aspect of calling on signal is blank. Next, question number 11 is to attend the failure of block instrument, disconnection memo is necessary. Next, currency of DCN is 90 days. Next, headquarter of CCRS is at Lucknow. Next, CCRS is related with Civil Aviation Department. Next, question number 15 is maximum length of DC track circuit in block section with PSC or wooden slipper with using QT-A2 relay is 450 meters. Next, question number 16 is minimum energization of QB-AT relay is limited to 122% rated pickup value. Next, question number 17 is maximum energization of QB-AT relay is permitted up to 235% rated pickup value. Next, 20% of conductor are kept spare at station before last point of station. Next, question number 19 is 10% of conductor are kept spare at station after last point of station. Next, question number 20 is the distance between LSS of opposite direction and inner distance signal is 1180 meters. Next, question number 21 is double distance signal is proved if section speed is 120 kmph or more. Next, sanction of cache siding or slip siding is given by railway board. Next, slip siding protect block section और cache siding स्टेशन सेक्शन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 इज इन SG ब्लॉक when block handle is turned from LB to TOL then positive polarity goes on line. Next question number 25 is in SG block when block handle is turned from LB to LC then negative polarity goes on line. Next question number 26 is DAC works on the principle of phase reversal. Next question number 27 is in RE area filter unit is proved in line circuit to protect the block instrument from induced voltage. In RE area filter unit is provided. to protect the block instrument from induced voltage. Next, question number 28 is percentage regulation of track relay shall not be less than 68%. Next, essential of interlocking is related with SEM para 7.82. Next, SWR is revised after issuing of 5 correction slip. Next, question number 31 is passing of IBS at on is related with GR para 3.75. Next, question number 32 is facility for issuing disconnection memo is in 3 languages. Next, question number 33 is according to a standard of interlocking 2004, maximum speed in standard third is up to 140 kmph. Next, question number 34 is level crossing gate which are situated in station limit are termed as engineering gate. Next, question number 35 is crossing angle of road at rail shall not be less than 45 degree. Next, question number 36 is obstruction test of point is done with 5 test gauge. Next, question number 37 is during reverse operation of point NC and RC contact are make. During normal operation of point 110 supply is proved in crank handle. Next, on aspect of automatic signal is red. Next, question number 40 is normal aspect of automatic signal is green. Next, question number 41 is if home signal is displaying yellow with root, then aspect of double distance signal is double yellow. Next, question number 42 is specification of battery charger is IRS S86 2000. Next, question number 43 is terminal voltage during boost charging is kept 2.4 volt per cell. Next, question number 44 is in color light signaling visibility of distant signal is considered from 400 meter. Positive terminal of lead acid cell is lead peroxide PbO2 positive terminal पे. Negative terminal of lead acid cell is spongy lead. Next, electrolyte of lead acid cell is dilute H2SO4. Next, to calculate the length of parallelism, the value of power factor is considered 1.5. Next, in RE area, induced voltage in single line section is considered 116 volt AC per kilometer. Next, in RE area, induced voltage in double line section is considered 95 volt AC per kilometer. सिंगल लाइन में इंड्यूस्ड वोल्टेज 116 वोल्ट AC पर किलोमीटर होता है और डबल लाइन सेक्शन में इंड्यूस्ड वोल्टेज आरई एरिया में 95 वोल्ट AC पर किलोमीटर होता है. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नॉर्मल ऑपरेटिंग करंट एंड डी क्लचिंग करंट शैल नॉट बी लेस देन 0.5 एम्पियर. नेक्स्ट, फ्रिक्शन क्लच डी क्लच बिटवीन 150% to 250% ऑफ नॉर्मल ऑपरेटिंग करंट. नेक्स्ट, question number 53 is motor used in IRS point machine is DC series split field motor. Next, question number 54 is maximum current that can be provided to IRS point motor is 8.5 ampere. When 3.25 mm test piece is kept at 150 mm from toe between tongue rail and stock rail, detection contact shall be just break. Next, question number 56 is when 1.6 mm test piece is kept at 150 mm from toe between tongue rail and stock rail, detection contact shall be just make. Next, question number 57 is calling on signal is subsidiary signal. Next, question number 58 is gap between top of first William and bottom of rail is maintained 1.5 mm to 3 mm. Next, question number 59 is through of IRS point machine is 143 mm. Next, name of point operation switching relay is WR. Point operation switching relay. Next, name of point end operation proving relay is WKR3. Name of point operation time limiting relay is WR रिवर्स के लिए और नॉर्मल के लिए WR नॉर्मल के लिए WNR और रिवर्स के लिए WRR. Next, which relay proves the purpose of superimpose detection circuit? WRR or WNR. Next, question number 64 is during automatic route release, which relay proves the power supply availability? ZR relay. Route release relay. Next, question number 65 is to operate the point if point zone track is failed, then EWN and corresponding point buttons are pressed to operate the point. Next, question number 66 is the arrangement to prevent the point operation if point zone track is failed is called track locking. Next, question number 67 is universal track circuit is termed as AFTC. Next, question number 68 is size of track lead conductor in DC track circuit is 2.5 square mm. Next, level crossing gate situated between outermost stop signal are termed as traffic gate. Next, to prevent the signal to going danger during power supply fluctuation, GR1 is made slow to release. Next, in India, first AC traction was started in 1960. Next, question number 72 is resistance of block proving relay is 77 ohm. Next, question number 73 is overhauling of BPR is done after 7 years. Next, question number 74 is to increase current to a circuit, batteries are connected in parallel. Next, question number 75 is to increase voltage to a circuit, batteries are connected in series. Question number 76 is stage 1 SPD is connected between phase and neutral and earth. Next, stage 2 SPD is connected between phase and neutral. Next, question number 78 is as the surge voltage appears across SPD, it shows effect clamping. Next, question number 79 is if actual number of SMR is needed n, then number of SMR provided in IPS system is n plus 2. Next, question number 80 is the value of maintenance free earth shall be up to 1 ohm. Next, in EI application software is related with particular yard layout. Next, in EI executive software is common to all layout. Next, question number 83 is to clear calling signal GN, COGGN and UN buttons are pressed. Next, isolation is provided if train speed is more than 50 kmph. K50 relays are proved type relay. Metal to carbon contact relay are called non-proved type relay. Next, question number 87 is working frequency of Siemens digital Excel counter is 43 kilohertz. Next, working frequency of Eldine digital Excel counter is 28 kilohertz and 30 kilohertz. If TVU is between 25,000 to 30,000, then gate is classified as B1 class gate. Next, IBS is equivalent to C class station. As DECR drops, DR relay drops. It is false. DR relay pickups. As block handle turned from LC line clear to train online TOL, block handle locks then after train online circuit completed. True. It is true. Next question number 93 is Z1 NWR and Z1 RWR are interlocked relay. True. Next question number 94 is WKR2 relay is called cross protection relay. True. For straight route A URS is set. True. स्ट्रेट रूट के लिए यूएस यू ब्रैकेट आर एस होता है. पोलैरिटी ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ ग्लूट जॉइंट इज सेम इन continuous track circuiting. It is false. LED of SG aspect is kept in blanking mode. True. In proved type relay back contact proving is compulsory. True. Break contact of normally pickup relay is back contact. It is true. Next, question number 110 is after removing crank handle key from CH box point can be operated from panel. It is true. यदि आप लोगों को मेरा यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. धन्यवाद.